Well now, let's take it from the top, grab some wheels. We'll whale along and talk about some cuckoo deals.
But Kookie, Kookie, lend me your comb. Kookie, Kookie.
Now you're on my wavelength, and I'm reading you just fine. Don't cut out of here till we get on cloud 9.
But Kookie, Kookie.
I've got smog in my noggin ever since you made the scene.
You're the utmost.
If you ever tune me out, Dad, I'm the saddest, like I'm green.
The very utmost. Kookie, lend me your comb. Kookie, Kookie.
Man, I got my Byrnes lighted, and my flaps are gonna bend. You're gonna send me to that planet called, you know it, baby, the end.
Kookie, Kookie, lend me your comb. Kookie, Kookie.
If you ever cut out, then I'd be a stray cat. 'Cause when I'm flying solo, nowhere's where I'm at.
Kookie, Kookie, lend me your comb. Kookie, Kookie.
What's with this comb caper, baby? Why do you want to latch onto my comb?
I just want you to stop combing your hair and kiss me. You're the maximum utmost.
Well, I'm beamed in on Dreamsville and I'm moving right now. 'Cause that's the kind of scene that I dig. Baby, you're the ginchiest.